All right, second to the last week in November. A lot of folks thinking Thanksgiving, putting up Christmas decorations all around. Well, it's certainly not going to feel like mid to late November here moving forward. In fact, that is our first headline: is the warm days ahead. Record highs are possible almost statewide. Depends on the intensity or the height of the record set and where we end up getting to on Wednesday and Thursday. But certainly looking like a dry week up until then, with those showers in our next weather system on Friday. We could use the rain again statewide. We've got a drought basically along US 278 and points south, with a widespread severe drought across parts of the Wiregrass, and that extreme drought for parts of Hale and Marengo County. And this doesn't look to, it's going to be a drought breaking rain, but nevertheless, we'll take it. The story first is going to be temperatures. So we look at our highs really for the next couple of days, and they're going to be somewhere in the ranks of the 70s, perhaps some low 80s. Our overnight lows are also going to go up. Chilly nights, not high to Carolina, possible. Southwest will also be influenced by the rain. So, I'd rather Birmingham 5. That would be an easy one break. So let's talk about the upper level pattern here. Big ridging, backing rain totals for Saturday afternoon. After this average, don't even really see a big change in the numbers. So warm temperatures midweek, rain chances late in the week, and then we don't really see a huge departure in temperatures through the week of Thanksgiving. So there's your tee up forecast for this week here in central Alabama. Hope you guys have a great week. See you next time.